Hey, welcome to my new video. This video is especially for those students who want to listen English and try to speak English. And I hope you will listen very carefully. Strategies for managing inflation and maintaining purchasing power. Introduction. Inflation, often referred to as dearness, is a persistent increase in the general price level of goods and services over time. This can erode the purchasing power of individuals and have significant economic implications. In this essay, we will discuss strategies for maintaining purchasing power in the face of inflation. 1. Diversify investments. Diversifying your investment portfolio is a prudent approach to managing inflation. Assets such as stocks, real estate, and commodities tend to appreciate over time, providing a hedge against the eroding effects of inflation. 2. Invest in inflation-protected securities. Government-issued inflation-protected securities, like Treasury inflation-protected securities, TIPS, in the United States, provide a safe and reliable way to safeguard your investments against inflation. These bonds offer periodic interest payments and adjust the principal value for inflation. 3. Increase income streams. Generating multiple sources of income can help you keep up with rising prices. Consider side businesses, freelance work, or passive income streams like dividends and royalties. 4. Reevaluate your budget. Frequent budget reviews are crucial during periods of inflation. Cut unnecessary expenses and allocate your resources more efficiently to cope with the rising costs of essential goods and services. 5. Invest in tangible assets. Investing in tangible assets, such as real estate, precious metals, or collectibles, can provide a store of value that tends to appreciate over time, helping you maintain your purchasing power. 6. High-yield savings accounts. Opt for high-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit, CDs, to maximize your savings. While these may not fully beat inflation, they offer a more competitive interest rate compared to regular savings accounts. 7. Consider long-term investments. Long-term investments often outpace inflation. Purchasing shares of well-established companies or investing in long-term bonds can help your wealth grow over time. 8. Negotiate your expenses. Negotiate for better deals on various services, such as cable and internet, insurance, or even rent. Reducing your fixed expenses can free up more money for savings and investments. 9. Continuous education and skills development. Invest in your education and skills to enhance your earning potential. Career advancement and increased income can help you outpace inflation. 10. Be cautious with debt. During inflationary periods, high-interest debt can be a significant burden. Try to reduce high-interest debt and avoid taking on new debt unless it is necessary and at favorable interest rates. 11. Invest in stocks. Stock investments are historically one of the most effective ways to outperform inflation. By carefully selecting stocks or investing in diversified mutual funds, you can potentially benefit from the growth of companies and industries. 12. Monitor and adapt. Keep a close watch on the economic environment and adapt your financial strategy as needed. Stay informed about changes in inflation rates, as well as government policies and economic indicators. Conclusion. Inflation, or dearness, is an economic reality that can erode the purchasing power of individuals. However, with prudent financial planning and strategic investment, individuals can mitigate the impact of inflation and preserve their ability to purchase goods and services. Diversifying investments, increasing income streams, reevaluating budgets, and exploring inflation-protected securities are key strategies for maintaining purchasing power and achieving financial security in the face of rising prices. By staying informed, adapting to changing economic conditions, and making sound financial choices, individuals can navigate inflation and secure their long-term financial well-being. Thanks for watching this video. And I hope you have learned something new to this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the bell so do not miss upcoming important videos.